Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to introduce this 4K dual screen touchscreen Wi-Fi action camera. This action camera comes with the EIS anti-shake function. This is the main package, the neutral package, with full accessories. This is a camera with a waterproof case. It can be underwater about 30 meters. Those are the accessories. With those accessories, we can go swimming, diving, biking, and hiking, all kinds of activities. Now, let's get started to operate these action cameras. First, this is a waterproof case. Let's open it. Now we take out the action camera. The action camera have the dual screen. This one is a 2-inch touch screen and with a film to protect the screen. And here is another small screen about 1.5 inch or maybe smaller. These both comes with film. And this is the mount. We can use this mount for the biking. You put it on your bike. Now we mount it. This can be used on the front handlebar of your bike. You can mount it with this mount and the screw. Just put it on the front handlebar. There is a switch screw that can change the direction of this mount. Now we use that switch. It can change the direction. Install on the front handlebar. Now let's turn on this camera and operate it. Long press the mode button to turn on the camera. Now the camera is on. We just wait. We now can use the finger to print it. We can check the resolution. Now this is 4K 60 FPS. There are many other options, 4K 30 and 2.4K 30. In the 4K 30 FPS, we can turn on the EIS function. But in 4K 60 FPS, the EIS function is not available. See, when we choose the 4K 30 FPS, the EIS can be turned on. And some other options like 1080p and 720p. And this is the main menu. We choose the 4K 30. Let's check the main menu. The video quality, we usually choose the high video quality, not the middle. And the other function usually just keep it the same. Keep it as default. Wi-Fi and the image rotation and some other settings. Auto screensaver format. And this is the external microphone, but this camera don't have external microphone. Language, we can choose English and other 8 different language. That is the main language. This is the Russian language. Now we back it to English because I'm not familiar with Russian. That is the format camera, and this is the device information. Click here, we can switch to the different mode. 4 different video mode and 4 different photo mode. This is slow motion, loop recording, and the lapse mode, time lapse mode. There's no fire because I didn't put the TF card inside. The front screen, you can click the down button, long press the down button to switch the screen. Just click here. Now it is a selfie screen. Just take a look. Press down button, long press the down button to switch back. Now it switch back. You can only see one screen when you use the camera. Here is the TF card slot and HDMI port and the micro USB port. And this is the battery. Here is the mode. And OK. Long press the mode to turn off the camera. Here's the battery. This battery is 1050 mAh Li polymer battery. It's a good battery. You can just check. Now we put it back. Now we use this 64GB TF card to test on this camera. We first put the TF card into the action camera, then press Mode key to turn on the camera. Here is a film for the lens. We can tilt the film to make sure the camera can record the very clear video. Now we take the film. The lens looks very clear. And there is another film on the screen. When you operate it, you can take out the screen film. Okay. Now we click the model. We just check. First, we format the TF card first. We can see the TF card information. This is a 64GB TF card. Now we just format it. Now format it successfully. We set the resolution 4K 30 FPS. This video, it is turned off. We click, then it turn on. Turn off. Okay. Now we use this camera to record a video. The EIS anti-shake is off. It's off. Okay. Now we're shooting. Now the EIS function of this camera is off. With a little bit shake like this. Just test the EIS function, whether it works or not. Okay. This video is no EIS. Okay. Then we back to camera. We turn on. Now we have turned on the EIS function. Okay. Now this video shooted by action camera with the EIS function on. Later we will compare the difference of the shake. Shake like this to check the EIS anti-shake. Okay. Usually our hands not shake like this, just a little bit shake, maybe like this. Oh. But if you ride a bicycle, so it will shake a lot. Okay, that's all. Now the EIS function of this camera is off. With a little bit shake like this. Just test the EIS function, whether it works or not. Okay, this video is no EIS. Now, this video shooted by action camera with the EIS function on. Later, we will compare the difference for the shake. Shake like this to check the EIS anti-shake. Okay. Usually our hands not shake like this, just a little bit shake, maybe like this. Oh. But if you ride it a bicycle, so it will shake a lot. And we can check this video by the mobile phone app. App is the XDV. We can long press up to turn on the Wi-Fi, or we can turn Wi-Fi here. Now the Wi-Fi is on. Well, Wi-Fi now is on. It will show you the password. The password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Are we connected? Put the password. Oh shit. This is the password. Okay, it's connected. Now we enter this XDV. Click here, shoot. Oh, this is a preview video. Now the EIS function of this camera is off. With a little bit shake like this. Just test the EIS function whether it works or not. So this video is a no EIS. Yes, this video no EIS. Now this video with the EIS. This video should be by camera with the EIS function on. Later we will compare the difference with the shape. As we can see, the EIS function is work. Usually our hands don't shake like this, just a little bit shake like this. But if you ride it a bicycle, so it will shake a lot. Now the EIS function of this camera is off. With a little bit shake like this. Just test the EIS function whether it works or not. As we can see in the video, when EIS is off, the screen shake like this. Now the EIS function whether it works. Yes, like this. When the EIS function is on. This video should be by example with the EIS function on. Yeah, the shake like this. To check the EIS activity. Usually our hands don't shake like this, just a little bit like this. Okay. So this will be the comparison for EIS function. The selling point of this action camera is the EIS anti-shake. That can make you make a better video. Press up. And the touch screen allow you can operate the camera more easily. And you can do the selfie. We press the down button to switch to the front camera. Yeah, front camera just like a mirror. You can see yourself. Okay, sometimes when you do a selfie video, you can use this front and you click OK. Now it's recording. Recording. Okay. When you use it, you can tear the film. Okay. So that will be all for today's video, and thank you for watching.